All right, so for the last few terms, we have traditional market, command, and mixed economy. So a traditional economy is based on customs, history, and beliefs. It usually depends on agriculture, hunting, fishing, and gathering, things like that. A market economy is when productions or prices are determined by unrestricted competition. So decisions regarding productions or price or the prices of goods are based off of supply and demand. Command economy is the production, investment, and prices and incomes that are determined by the government. And then a mixed economy, which is what we have here in the US, is kind of combined of private and public enterprise, so some free market and some market elements. And this is what we have here in the US. So this is the end of our 5 themes of culture lecture. Again, if you guys have any questions, need help with your Cornell notes, please let me know.